We are Holocaust survivors.
We promise never again.
Never again to us.
Never again to anyone.
Today in China,
more than 1 million people are in concentration camps
just because of who they are.
They are subjected to large-scale forced labor
and likely medical experimentation and organ harvesting.
Women are sterilized.
And men are prohibited from their religious practices of praying and growing beards.
These are just some of the ongoing atrocities
that the Chinese government is committing against the Uyghur people and other minorities.
On the basis of their religious, ethnic and cultural identity.
China says it is combating terrorism and creating better citizens.
Human rights lawyers and independent observers say
that it may meet the criteria of a genocide.
Genocide from which China is profiting.
Uyghur slave labor has helped produce about 1 out of every 5 cotton garments in the global market.
Many of our cell phones,
our face masks,
and even some of our food
can be traced to the enslavement of the Uyghur prisoners.
It's time to speak up.
It's time to act.
When we say never again,
we should really mean it and do something active about it.